Dudula threatens Mnangagwa. The 10th of September 2025, by a correspondent, South Africa's Operation Dudula leader, Dabula, has intensified her attack on Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF, directly warning President Emmerson Mnangagwa's party after it condemned the movement's stance on foreign nationals' access to health care. Speaking to IOL News, Dabula dismissed ZANU-PF's criticism as hypocrisy, accusing Zimbabwe's leadership of failing to fix its collapsing economy and instead exporting citizens to South Africa. We will not be dictated to by foreigners on how to run our country. We have our constitution, we have immigration laws. They must fix Zimbabwe first, Dabula declared. Her remarks followed ZANU-PF Information Director Farai Marapira's rebuke of Dudula's anti-immigrant campaigns as a betrayal of Ubuntu and a colonial tactic of dividing Africans. But Dabula hit back, denying claims that her movement was funded by former colonizers and insisting the real issue was Zimbabwe's failure to utilize its land reform. They chased colonizers away, but are doing nothing with the land. That's why Zimbabweans are fleeing, taking spaces in our jobs, schools, and communities, she said. Dabula also challenged ZANU-PF's claim that only 1 million Zimbabweans live in South Africa, arguing the number runs into millions, straining schools, jobs, and healthcare. She stressed that Dudula is not calling for a blanket denial of healthcare, but wants foreign nationals to pay for services instead of overburdening South Africa's already stretched system. Her fiery statements underline the diplomatic tensions between Harare and Pretoria, as Zimbabwe's prolonged economic meltdown continues to fuel migration and resentment in South Africa.